Does TikTok tell you who viewed your profile? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain you if TikTok does tell you who viewed your profile still or not. Before, TikTok had the option to view who viewed your profile. For now, yes, some creators can see some of the people who viewed their TikTok profile as long they have the profile views features enabled. Although TikTok removed the ability to see who has viewed your profile a while back, in January 2022 there were reports that TikTok was adding the feature back. Now, users started reporting that they got the feature back, although not everyone has got the option so far. You can see that I've updated my TikTok app to the latest version, and if I open the app and go to my profile here, I don't have the eye option on the top right of my screen. Now, if you have an eye option, you need to toggle it off, and if you toggle that off, your friends won't be able to see, or the profile that you viewed won't be able to see that you viewed their profile. Now, in order to see that someone has viewed your profile, you need to toggle on that switch. Now, if you can't find it here, if you go to settings and privacy, and if you scroll down to privacy, and if you scroll all the way down below, you should get the option view profile. Now, since I don't have it, I can't show you guys, but if you have it, you can toggle that on if you want to see who viewed your profile. And if the person has toggled on the same feature, then you will be able to see if they have viewed your profile. But if they have toggled that off, or if they don't have that option, then you have no way of viewing who viewed your profile. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.